Pine Muhly, a gardener's delight in a compact package. For those of us with limited space, the quest for the perfect ornamental grass can feel like searching for a unicorn. We crave the swaying beauty and textural contrast grasses bring, but often their sprawling nature makes them impractical. Enter Muhlenbergia dubia, the pine muhly, a petite powerhouse that packs a punch in the garden. What is Muhlenbergia dubia? Pine muhly is a perennial grass native to the southwestern United States, specifically Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. It forms a dense, evergreen clump with upright, narrow foliage. Unlike its larger cousins, deer grass, Muhlenbergia rigans, and big muhly, Muhlenbergia lindheimeri, pine muhly stays delightfully compact, reaching a mature height of 12 to 18 inches with airy flower spikes extending up to 3 feet in late summer and fall. The foliage boasts a vibrant green year-round, adding a touch of life to even the coldest winter landscapes. The real showstopper, however, arrives in the form of the flower spikes. Delicate, cream-colored blooms emerge, gracefully turning a soft tan as they mature. These airy plumes add a touch of whimsy and movement to the garden, swaying gently in the breeze. Muhlenbergia dubia versus rigans. In my garden, Muhlenbergia dubia stands out with its fine, delicate texture and airy appearance, giving a soft, graceful look to the landscape, while Muhlenbergia rigans, with its more robust and upright habit, provides a fuller and more dramatic presence that I appreciate for adding structure to my garden beds. Why choose pine muhly? Beyond its space-saving size, pine muhly offers a multitude of benefits for the discerning gardener. Here's what makes it a true standout. Low maintenance. This low-water needs plant thrives on neglect. Once established, it tolerates drought conditions beautifully, making it ideal for water-conscious landscapes. Heat and drought tolerant. Hailing from the hot, dry southwest, pine muhly is perfectly adapted to handle summer's heat and drought. It shrugs off the scorching sun, making it a fantastic choice for sunny gardens. Deer resistant. Deer can be a gardener's worst nightmare. Thankfully, pine muhly doesn't find itself on their delightful buffet menu. This deer-resistant grass offers peace of mind for those battling pesky herbivores. Long season interest. From its vibrant green foliage to the delicate, airy blooms, pine muhly provides year-round interest. Even in winter, the dried flower spikes add a touch of texture to the garden. How to care for pine muhly. While pine muhly is a low-maintenance plant, a little TLC goes a long way. Here's how to keep yours thriving. Planting. Choose a location that receives full sun to light shade. Pine muhly thrives in well-drained soil, so amend your planting hole with compost or sand if needed. Watering. Water deeply when the plant is first established, but once it's settled in, supplemental watering is rarely necessary. Fertilizing. Skip the fertilizer. Pine muhly is happy with the nutrients it finds in the soil. Pruning. Light pruning in late winter or early spring helps maintain a tidy appearance. Simply remove any dead or brown foliage. How to propagate pine muhly. Sharing the beauty of pine muhly is easy. Here are 2 methods for propagation. Seed. Collect seeds in the fall and sow them directly outdoors in the fall or early spring. Germination can be slow, so patience is key. Division. Mature clumps can be divided in spring or fall. Carefully dig up the plant, separate the clumps, and replant them in their new locations. What to plant with pine muhly. Pine muhly's versatility allows it to shine in various garden settings. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Perennials. Salvia, echinacea, coreopsis, and lavender create a vibrant color palette alongside pine muhly's soft green and tan tones. Shrubs. Combine it with low-growing shrubs like butterfly bush or potentilla for textural contrast and added structure. Bulbs. Spring-blooming bulbs like tulips and daffodils add a burst of color before the pine muhly's flower spikes emerge. Conclusion. Pine muhly, a grass for every gardener. Pine muhly is a truly remarkable ornamental grass. Its compact size, low-maintenance nature, and stunning appearance make it a perfect choice for gardeners of all levels. Whether you have a sprawling landscape or a tiny balcony container, pine muhly can add a touch of beauty and movement to your space. So, ditch the struggle for the perfect, space-hogging grass and embrace the charm of the petite and powerful pine muhly.